Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn everything about video editing using Filmora. Today we will learn how to make intros, how to add text to a video, add the transition effect, split screens, add music, and many more. You will also learn how to record your PC screens using Filmora. By the end of this video, you will be a complete video editor. So, further ado, let's move into the video.
Let's go with the full feature mode. You also can choose the ratio from here. Let's go with 16:9 and full feature mode. First, you need to import the video. To import the video, just click on import and click on import media files and import the video from your saved location. Suppose I want to import this video. Click on open. My video will be imported and just click on this add sign. If there is something wrong in your audio, I mean if there is some noise in your background, then you can remove it. For this, just click on the video and right click on it and click on audio details and then click on this edit sign and you can remove the background noise. Press OK and your noise will be removed. I don't want, so I will press Ctrl Z. Now if you want to change the speed of a video or you want to increase or decrease the speed, then just click on the video and click on this edit sign, and from here you can increase or decrease the speed of your video. And if you want to play a video in the reverse order, then just check this box. I don't want this, so I'll uncheck it. If you don't want some part of video, suppose I don't want a part from here, then just click on the video and click on the scissor sign, or just right click on the video and click on this split, and again let's drag it and again let's split. Suppose I don't want this part, then just simply delete it. I want all my parts, so I will not delete this. Now if you want to add music to your video, there are many copyright free musics. You'll get it on Google. Just search copyright free music and you'll get many. I'll go for this one. From here you can download the music and just add it to it by importing. I have already imported. Suppose I want to add this audio, then just click on this add sign and it will be added. And you can delete the unwanted part by splitting it. Just simply click on the audio track and just click on scissor sign. I don't want this part, then just delete it. Or if your video length is too long and you want the same music to repeat to a whole video, then just click on the right click on, copy it and paste it here. Now to add intros to your video, just click on text option and let's click on opener and search the intro that you want to add. Suppose I want to add this, then just click on this add sign. If it is not downloaded, then you have to download it. You can download it online for free. For this, just double click on it and it will be downloaded. Now let's see the change. And you can change this text as you like. Just double click on it and change it. And here you can see the many more options. You can change the font size, font family, and many more. Change styles. Now, if you want to add some titles to your video, then just go to the titles and just click here, and your title will be added. Let's see the change. And you can change the text by double clicking on it and put your text here. You also can drag it down. In this way you can drag it down. In this way you can drag your text as you like. Now let's talk about the transition effect. There is many effects. You can choose any one of them. Suppose I want this, then just click on it. Now let's see the change. Now let's talk about the filter. Filter is about changing the color of your video. Suppose I want this color to my videos, and just click on add. And let's see the change. If you want this color to your whole video, then just simply drag it, and your whole video color will be changed. I don't want this, so I will delete this. Now let's talk about overlays. Overlay is about frame. Suppose I want this frame, then just click on it, and you can see the change. I don't want this, so I'll delete this. Now let's go for elements, and you can put these effects on your video. Suppose I want this emoji on my video, and just click on it. You also can increase or decrease the size of this emoji. Now let's talk about the split screens and add the screen of your choice. Suppose this one, and drop your video to these zones. Suppose I want this video in the first zone, and in the second zone I want this video. Press OK, and now let's see the change. In this way you can split your screens also. Now let's talk about how to capture your PC screen using Filmora. For this, go to the record, and you can record from webcam, or record your PC screen, or record your voice. Now let's talk about export, how to export the video. For this, just go to the export, and you can add a title to your video. Suppose, and you can choose your location where you want to save it. Suppose I want to save it on my desktop. And choose the format you want to export. Suppose WMB, MP4, AIV, MOV, and many more. So I want on MP4, and then simply click on export. You can see it's exporting. I don't want to export right now. Just I will just, so I will just cancel it. This much for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.